What's up everybody, please welcome to my channel. On today's video we're gonna be covering up a progress bar in JavaFX. Now a progress bar is pretty simple. It shows how much progress has been, you know, how much progress has been covered. Now your application might be performing some pretty much high maintenance stuff, like maybe doing some higher calculations or something, and it may need time for that to happen. So right now what we're going to do is to create a progress bar. It is simply used to show the user that um, whatever they are doing or whatever they want, whatever they whatever the task they are performing, it is taking quite some time, but they can just see how much progress has been covered. So let's go ahead and name it progress bar demo. Okay, progress bar demo, there it is. So a progress bar, it's pretty simple. Like I said, there's nothing complicated with that. Now what you're gonna do is I'll just create a simple app that will change the state of a progress bar whenever you press the button. Okay, so let's just say progress bar. There's a progress bar. Okay, now alright, let's name our progress bar. Let's give it an FX ID. Let's name it progress bar. Okay, there it is right there. So let's just create a button right here, and name it click me. This button, whenever you press it, it will change the state of the progress bar. Okay, so let's just give it a click name, and on action you should create a method change progress. Okay, so right now what has to happen is we have to navigate back to our NetBeans, and let's just make controller so that everything is added up, and we need to delete this method right here because we don't need that, and we have to delete the label as well. Now let's create an integer right here. Okay, int, let's name it number of clicks. Okay, and let's initialize it to now. All right, now let's initialize it to 0. I forgot, an integer cannot be initialized to null. So okay, so whenever you press this, I need, whenever you press the button which we named click, I need the number of clicks plus equals 1. Okay, so it is going to increment the number of clicks by 1. Let's print out the number of clicks. Let's say number of clicks. Okay, now after clicking this number of clicks, I need the progress bar to change. Okay, so first of all, what you need to do is to create a progress bar which is equal to a new progress bar. Alright, so one other thing that you need to do is to set a float, and let's just name it our progress. Okay, and let's make it to be equal to 0.0. Okay, it is okay like that. So now that you have our progress equaling 0, whenever you press this, I need the progress to be incremented by 0.25. Okay, so after incrementing this progress, let's just print out the progress as well. After printing out this progress and the number of clicks as well, what we need to do is to set the progress bar dot, okay, set our progress, okay, to be equals to whatever progress that we added. Okay, so it is as simple as that. Whenever you press this, it has to be, our progress has to be incremented by this, and the same amount that has been incremented, it will be placed right here, and your progress will be increasing. So let's just clean the application and let's run it and see if it works. I'm pretty certain it will work, but okay, let's just wait for it. So remember, whenever I press this button, okay, it says the number of clicks is 1, and okay, let me just print out here. Okay, now one other thing we need is progress. Okay, so let's rebuild the application. Let's just close this one first, and let's rebuild the application and run it. Now be aware that this progress bar, you can use it however you like. Okay, this is just for demonstration, showing you guys how you can just use this progress bar. Okay, the first click it says number of clicks is 1 and the progress is 0.25. Okay, so let's just click it once more. It says the number of clicks is 2 and the progress is 0.5. So you see, whenever you press this button, it increases the progress by 0.25. Okay, and it also increases the number of clicks by 1, and that's what we want. That's what we simply want, and it keeps on going over and over. All right, it is. Now this is just a simple application that shows you how you can use your progress bar. And thank you everybody. Please subscribe on my channel and leave a thumbs up if you like a video. I'll see you in our next video.